The texture is absolutely flawless. This meets our highest quality standards.
Hey boss, great weather today.
Yeah, perfect for the morning shift.
Let's hope it stays this way. Make sure those boots are tight.
Hurry, grab a fresh coat. Andre, grab a fresh coat. They just stocked the dispenser.
Here we see the raw eel skins arriving, beginning their journey through the tanning drums.
All right, team, focus on the daily targets for the eel skin production. Remember, quality standards must be maintained at every stage.
That's the spot. Confirming the eel shipment. Let's get these inside quickly. All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it, bring it over here. Watch the ramp. As you can see, batch 7B tested perfectly within tolerance.
Very good. The eel skins are approved for release to segment 3.
Tables are ready.
Bring the next container over here.
We need more ice at station 3.
The container is opened, revealing the raw materials. These 25 fresh, silvery
Scents. Using a systematic head-to-tail washing technique, the high-pressure spray ensures thorough sanitization.
Check the tension on the rollers.
Looks good. Set the speed to medium.
Eels are aligned on the conveyor. Ensure these are completely flat before stacking.
Got it. We need to maintain the sheen for the luxury wallets. Pull evenly now, steady.
Looks good. Reaching 8 centimeters. Clip it.
Secured. Ready for drying.
Position confirmed. Ensure the airflow optimization gap is precise. Copy that. Moving to the next section now. Be careful with the edges.
10 skins ready for tanning.
Slide the next batch over here.
Ensure the weight is balanced for the tumbling.
Placing these 5 on the lower baffles now.
Ready for the solution. We're at 95% capacity. Slow the flow rate now.
Copy that. Flow rate decreasing.
The rotation speed is steady at 0.4 meters per second. We are on schedule for the first phase of the tanning cycle.
The pliability is excellent on these. Make sure the solution drips off completely.
Make sure you get the edges thoroughly. Okay, I'm turning this batch now.
Okay, slowly lower the front edge. Got it. Making sure they are fully submerged for the treatment.
Okay, lift slowly now. Making sure the acid is removed.
Transferring the first batch to the table.
This is the target color, jet black, as specified for the luxury wallets. We will proceed with this batch.
Understood. The skins are ready for the dye.
Yes, we agree on the black standard.
The pH is stable at 4.5.
Concentration looks correct. We are ready for the next batch.
Make sure they are evenly distributed on the left side.
Got it. We need 10 specimens in total.
Okay, last one going in now. Dye transfer is complete at 120 liters.
Acknowledged. Starting the rotation cycle. The color penetration is excellent. We are on schedule for the 6-hour mark.
The transformation is complete. The dark brown skins have successfully taken the black dye, resulting in this luxurious finish.
Careful with the stacking.
This batch looks perfect. Moving the next 5 now.
Watch the dripping on the floor.
Make sure you get the edges thoroughly.
Yes, checking for any remaining residue now.
This gentle agitation ensures uniform chemical distribution and color setting throughout the 45-minute cycle.
Okay, pull the next batch slowly.
Watch the drainage on this side.
Clear. Moving to the table now. The concentration is perfect now.
And the temperature is holding exactly at 40. The mixer is ready.
The last 10 specimens are in. Distributed correctly for the fat liquoring.
Signal the control panel to begin rotation.
The volume is almost complete.
80 liters confirmed. Cycle initiated.
Cycle complete, 4 hours exactly. Okay, let's get it open.
Looks good from here.
Okay, pull gently on your side.
Got it. Watch the residue.
Clear on this end. Ensure the edges are completely flat before we move to the vacuum.
Yes, keeping the tension even here.
These look good, very supple.
The gauge is holding steady at minus 0.6 bar.
Good, we're on track for the 35% moisture target before staking.
Check the pressure settings on the panel.
Set to 35% moisture calibration.
Loading the first batch now. Watch the alignment here, segment 6.
Confirm, maintaining the speed.
This one has minor variations here on the side.
Yes, that's a clear standard grade. This one, however, is premium.
The length is exactly 70.2 centimeters.
Okay, inputting that now. The software suggests we can optimize for 12 wallets from these skins.
Move the flap closure slightly to the left to optimize spacing.
Shifting it now, the card slots fit here.
Excellent, waste minimized on this specimen.
Ensure the edges are perfectly flat before we start the sequence. Vacuum engaged, supervisor.
Running the calibration now, looks good.
Okay, systematic removal initiated. Check the edges on the large pieces.
Verified, the cut is perfectly clean.
Are the bevelers ready?
Yes, organized by size.
The paint viscosity looks good. We can begin burnishing. This batch is ready for assembly.
Verified. The finish is excellent.
Make sure the tension is correct on all 4 machines. Yes, checking now. The leather is ready.
Check the alignment on this side.
Looks good. Make sure the spacing is exactly 8 millimeters before we clip it.
Zipper mechanism is fully functional. Edge finish is perfect.
Confirmed. The quality verification is complete. We can move to packaging. Ensure the tissue paper is perfectly aligned inside the black boxes. Checked. The dust bags are ready for the wallets.
I've finished the first dozen. I'm right behind you, just applying the tape.
We place the tissue-wrapped wallets directly into the satin lining, making sure the gold logo is perfectly centered before securing the lid.
The gold logo registration is perfect on this batch.
Agreed. The tissue wrapping is neat and the dust bags are present. Final verification complete. Check the product numbers before sealing. Confirm on carton 1 and confirm on carton 2.
Smooth it down firmly right there.
Okay, this one is ready for labeling.
Pallet secured. Proceed to zone 4, bay 12.
Roger that. Moving out.
Bring it up just a little higher. Okay, easy now. Clear on the left, looking good.
We have 85 units of the Eel-Skin wallets in aisle 4.
Copy that. Updating the system now.
Make sure the Eel-Skin cartons are secured tightly.
Yes, ma'am. Moving the next pallet now. All right, bring it back slowly. You're clear on the left.
Keep coming straight. Hold it right there.
Dock leveler engaging now. We're ready for the pallets. Bring it back a little. Right there. Right there. Perfect. Set it down.
6 pallets secured. 4 straps anchored and stable. Verification complete. Dispatch confirmed.
Segment 8 dispatch is complete. All protocols followed.
Roger that. Closing up.
true test of a luxury wallet is in its functionality. As we insert the cards, notice the smooth operation and the snug, secure fit provided by the Eel-Skin.
Station 12 is clear.
Noted. Looks like we had a successful run today.
Agreed. Quality checks are all positive.
Another excellent run on the yellow wallets today.
Absolutely, the team really pulled through.
From the depths of the ocean to the height of luxury, the transformation is complete.